So this is it for this project. We extended the kitchen, replacing the cabinets that were in this area, and adding this new section serves the purpose of laundry and bar on this side. So we have wallpaper, we have tile, quartz, countertops. We have solid wood cabinets, custom made, and we matched the existing floor that was here in the kitchen. We also had to go back and repaint with the same shine the existing cabinets, so it flows all together. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for next video.